Alright, we are at High Falls Park.
This is the tale of two waterfalls. High Falls, or Cullowhee Falls, is located just below the dam for Lake Glenville. It becomes the most powerful waterfall in the North Carolina mountains for several days each year when extra water is released from the dam.
A hiking trail leads both kayakers and hikers to the base of High Falls. The trail descends 650 feet in elevation. There's many flights of stairs, many made of stone, so be ready for going up and down a lot of steps. It's a strenuous hike.
The High Falls waterfall pours over a towering cliff, which cascades into multiple streams of white water from a 100-foot drop. Fortunately for us, the water stream and water levels were just right, gifting us the perfect swim hole and serene waterfall.
Once you reach the bottom of the falls, a slight wind carries the waterfall spray through the deeply cut gorge, especially refreshing on a warm summer day. Scattered boulders at the base of the trail make a perfect place to gaze at the falls and soak up the beauty of the surrounding gorge and forest. Crystal clear water that fills the bottom of the pool was one of the cleanest and most refreshing natural swimming pools I have ever been to. I will definitely recommend cooling down at this natural swimming spot for those hot summer days in the Carolinas.
Ahí donde la mamá.
Por acá.
It's gonna go dry with my clothes. Yeah.